buongiorno. Specifically, buon pomeriggio. Why am I saying that? Because it is good afternoon. Now, if I was saying this in the morning, I say buona mattina. If I was saying this in the evening, it would be buona sera. And if I was saying this way late in the night, I would say buonanotte. And I reviewed that in a previous Italian lesson. Let's get to the lesson today. Alright. If you'll remember from the last lesson, I was telling you, well, in the last couple lessons, I was telling you that sometimes you can determine whether a noun is masculine or feminine, and sometimes you can't. Let's give you an example of that. Un teatro. Un teatro. Well, we know that teatro is a masculine noun because of this letter O. Una sedia. Well, we can tell that this is a female noun because of that little A right there. But what about un caffè? Well, caffè is coffee in Italian. But see that little letter E there? We can't tell whether that's masculine or feminine. Okay? Now, you say, well, it could have been plural. Well, on a feminine noun, if it's plural, it is E. But this time it is singular. Okay? If you look this up in the dictionary, it is actually singular. And this time it is masculine. Okay? So, it is un caffè. Alright. So, when it comes to nouns, they're either singular or they're plural. They're either masculine or they're feminine. And like I said, masculine nouns you can tell by the O. Feminine nouns you can tell by the A. But sometimes an Italian noun does not end in O or A. It ends in things like E. And when it does, you can't tell. So some words you're just going to have to memorize. And caffè is one of those words. Alright? So caffè is masculine despite the E and is un caffè. Alright. I will tell you more in the next video. Stay tuned.